Unveiling the magic of spices, 5 surprising benefits of curry. Exploring the world of food takes us to the vibrant culture of India, home to the enchanting curry. This signature Indian dish doesn't just excite your taste buds, but also showers you with significant health benefits. The first benefit lies in its key ingredient, turmeric. This golden spice is a powerful antioxidant that also exhibits anti-inflammatory qualities. It can potentially help ward off heart diseases and cancer. Next, we have cumin and coriander, known to enhance digestion. These spices stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, soothing the gut and preventing bloating. The heat from the chili peppers in curry is more than just a flavoring. Capsaicin, the compound that gives peppers their heat, is known to speed up metabolism and aid in weight loss. Curry also contains cardamom and cinnamon. These aromatic spices are reputed to have antibacterial properties, can help in maintaining oral health. Finally, the intricate blend of spices in curry helps to boost your mood. Research suggests that the spices can stimulate the brain's feel-good chemicals, offering a natural uplift. From robust health benefits to mood-enhancing properties, curry truly is a treasure trove. So why not spice up your life with a bowl of curry today?